Ready to unlock the power of PayPal on your Godaddy website and watch those sales roll in? Let's dive right in. First, log into your Godaddy account and head over to your website editor. We're going to focus on the page where you want to sell your products or services. Click Edit Website to get started. Now, look for the Add Section button, usually found at the point on the page where you wish to add the PayPal button. Clicking this lets you browse available pre-designed sections or add elements individually. Explore the pre-designed sections often. There are ready-made store sections perfect for showcasing products and automatically including payment options. Select a section that fits your style. If you prefer more control, add a button element, drag and drop it where you'd like your PayPal button to appear. This is how we will manually integrate our PayPal payment option. Customize the button. Change the text to something like Pay with PayPal or Buy Now Then. In the link to settings, select website URL. We will need a URL from PayPal to use here. Now, head over to your PayPal business account, navigate to Seller Tools and look for the PayPal Buttons section here. You can create a button specifically for your product or service. Follow the steps to configure your button. Enter the product name, price, any shipping costs, and other relevant details. This is crucial for accurate transactions. PayPal will then generate a code or URL for your button. Copy this URL. It's what connects your Godaddy website to your PayPal account. Return to your Godaddy website editor. In the button settings, paste the PayPal URL you just copied into the link to field. This is what makes the magic happen. Before publishing, use the preview button to test your PayPal integration. Make sure the button redirects correctly to the PayPal checkout page. Perform a test transaction to ensure everything works smoothly. This will confirm that payments are processed correctly and notifications are sent. Once you're confident everything is working, hit publish and your website is live with PayPal integration. Congratulations! You're ready to start accepting payments from customers worldwide.